Hi there. I'm a little excited today because a new feature of Kdenlive just landed, and it's called replacing the audio part of a clip that is on the timeline. And I don't know if you guys use Kdenlive a lot, but I'll show you why this is so cool. This is like the nicest feature I've seen in a while. Anyway, so let's let's just drag in a file to show you. So here is a file that is literally me playing a bit of a game. So let's stick that on the timeline, and we go it's all boring up until about here. So we'll go there and then play up until about there. So normal video editing stuff, fade out a touch, fade out there. And now I'm listening to this thing, and there's lots of background noise. I was like, wow, I don't want the background noise. I've done my edits. Now normally you could do a lot more edits, but so let's extract this and then edit that. So in Audacity you can do a little bit of a sound processing thing. So there's the file. Let me just zoom to a normal setting, and first thing I'm going to do is just apply an equalizer, and you can do a little bit of a preview. Yeah, so we're going to apply that, and that immediately changes the sound a little bit. So let's find some noise. We'll do noise reduction, get a noise profile, stick it on everything. Noise reduction, apply. So as you can see, it's looking a lot better. Control E to show the whole thing. I was like, you know what, let's do a little bit of a compressor, and then maybe a loudness normalization. So there we go. So once you're all happy, we could either export the audio, we'll export the audio, and I'll click on browse and screen captures. That's where this file is living. So just close this thing, say no, and okay, so you see the WAV file there, and you could actually delete it at this point. You don't need it anymore. You say this guy, and you say replace clip, and you click an audio file, and now Kdenlive brings up this replacement clip does not contain a video stream. Do you want to replace only the audio component of this clip in the active timeline? And you say yes. Imports a video and replaces that clip with a tidied up one, and now all the background noise is gone. Fantastic, and it fits in there. The time synchronization is perfect. Check it out. How fun is that? Hey, perfect feature, and I just thought you guys would like to know all about that. In any case, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll share some new exciting Kdenlive features with you in the future. Goodbye.